I am a summer baby and a summer lover, and there's only one thing that can get me excited and ready for fall, and that is to open up my FABFITFUN box. I'm gonna show you the products that I pick and also spoilers, other products that you can get to choose. I have been paying annual member for FABFITFUN for, it's going to be 6 years this coming January. I know time flies, it goes by crazy, and in fact it is right now my only subscription box. It even survived the crazy 2020s that we all know. I cancel everything except this one because it's the one that brings me the most joy. It is curated per season. So say the fall box is more geared to fall things, same thing for winter, spring, summer, and being a seasonal lifestyle box, there's a lot of things not only for beauty, but also fashion, fitness, home items, and the entire box is worth up to $350. But the best part of all is that, say for example, if you decide to just try one seasonal box, it costs $69.99 your first box. So if you're making the math, we're talking about that you're receiving products of your likes, of your choice, nothing that are surprises. This is not a surprise box. You get to choose the products from brands like Fenty Beauty, Prada, Coach, Free People, so many, you name it. I have discovered so many brands through FABFITFUN, and each of those products become at around $13 each. It is a great deal, but even greater deal, and that's why I have been an annual member for so many years, is to have the annual membership because it costs now $219.99, which makes each of the 4 boxes $55. So that means that each of the products are less than $10. I mean, that is a steal. And it couldn't come more natural and make me more excited to be partnering up on today's video with FABFITFUN to bring you a exclusive code. Get 20% off with my code Jacqueline on your first seasonal box. But if you decide to go for the annual memberships and save even more money by doing so, then you can use my code Jacqueline Gift and you will receive a free gift value up to $200. Are you kidding me? No, it's not a joke. And everything that I just mentioned, again, will be on the description box below. As per usual, I will be also copy and pasting the description and leaving it as a pinned comment. So while you are subscribing to my channel, giving a like to this video, check the comment section for that pinned comment. Let's see the spoilers and what I have picked. Ricola has partnered up with FABFITFUN for this fall box. Let me tell you what I got, and let me show you the spoilers for the first choice. The first one is the Elements Superfood Glow Cleanser Butter, valued at $45. Also the Elements Pro Collagen Naked Make It Melting Cleansing Balm, valued at $69. And I know this one in a specific, it's an OG for many. It's so raved about. It's such an incredible product. I mean, everything from Elements. You can also choose something for home, the KitchenAid Love Band, valued at $29.99. The KitchenAid Cookie Bundle Set. I mean, fall is coming. It's time for baking some yummy cookies. This whole set is valued at $45. And Sunday Citizen Snack Throw, available in a buttercream color as well as this kind of like masala orange color, value at $65 each. The Sin Urge Decorative Glass Bowl Set of 3, value at $42. The Sin Fauna Glass Oil Cruet, value at $60. This beautiful false sway bag by Fourth and Reckless, value at $60. I mean, if you suede is going to be one of those materials that you're going to see very, very trendy this fall in bags, jackets, boots, you name it. So this crescent bag is incredible. And again, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the value is $60. Then they have the Kopari Beauty Moisturizing Whip Ceramide Cream, valued at $42. And for the home, from Gear, a set of 3 utensils with the ceramic holder. This looks so nice. This is valued at $78.85. So you want to make your guesses? What did I got? The Sin Urge Glass Decorative Bowls. Because friends, if you don't know, I just moved to my new home, sweet home. And with that came a lot of declutter and a lot of I want something new, something better. And when I saw these ones, I'm like, oh, this is exactly what I want. Something modern. These are heavy glass. They are gorgeous. 3 sets where I can put olives, some almonds, spices. I mean, these are always so beautiful. And another thing that I always think with FABFITFUN, these are in particular for myself. But say the holiday season is coming, or sometimes it's just like a birthday, or you're invited to a party, you can have already some extra gifts to give to a hostess. I would have loved to be given like something like this. But imagine even like sauces. Look how pretty these look. I love the shape. They are so unique. And friends, I love uniqueness. Tables Escape, if you don't know, I'm a caterer. I own a couple of restaurants, and this is my jam. This is my thing. And I'm so happy to see, feel, touch the quality of these 3 bowls. Let's go for the next set of choices. The first one, Kate Spade Rose Gold Aviators, value at $129. Oh my gosh. Then this beautiful jewelry box by Radley London, value at $98. It has all the compartments inside, so everything can fit nicely, from earrings, rings, bracelets, necklaces. And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. By McLux, the Kersley Slide Irish Cream Slippers, and you get to choose also the size. These are valued at $49. These are so cute. And from Puma, this gorgeous slim bag. I mean, back to school is around the corner, but if you are very active, if you like to go in walks, this bag looks amazing and is valued at $45. Oh my goodness, this is an OG. It's the Dr. Jart Cicapair Intensive Soothing Repair Cream. This cream is fantastic if you have any wounds, or perhaps if you have overdone it under the sun and you have a burn, you can always use it. This will come and soothe your skin. It's valued at $52. They also have a choice of 2 tumblers by Osobu Pick Me Up in 2 different shades. So you can pick one shade or the other one, Merlot or Crab Apple. That's a cute name, which is more of like a pinky tone. Value at $49.99. And then this product, I mean, who doesn't know the Ola Hendrickson Truth Hydrating Vitamin C Serum? This is valued at $56. So from Rose, you want to know what I got? Well, I decided to go with the Kate Spade Aviator Sunnies. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So cute. Oh my goodness me. Oh, these are so precious. Rose gold, so pretty. Look at this. Let me just show them to you closely. Look at all the details. These are precious. So precious, so comfortable, so stylish, and I can wear them all year round. That's the best part. Let's go for the third choices, but before you do so, I would love to hear from you. If you were to choose, or perhaps if you're already a FABFITFUN member, what would you choose for these categories? I would love to know which will be your choices. Okay, the next one, Ellie Veil Lorette Medium Hoop Earrings, value at $61. They have it available in silver and gold. Then the Aloha Collection Umbrella, value at $46 for all those rainy days that they are sure to come. The Herbivore Botanicals Milky Way 10% AHA plus Oat Soothing Exfoliating Serum, that is valued at $58. Then an OG, the Tarte Man Eater Mascara, valued at $27. The Briogeo Style Treat Yuzu Plus Plum Soft Power Air Dry Cream, value at $26. And then by Dead Company, the Spice Wood Candle, value at $48. Are you ready to know what I got? It's in this baggie. I couldn't resist myself. I had to get something else for me, and it is the Ellie Veil Water Resistant Hypoallergenic Gold Hoops. They're so beautiful. every girl, we all need some hoops, and I really love this size. It's the perfect everyday size and everyday type of earrings. I do have some hoops, but all of them are either smaller or either bigger and a little bit different. So I really need one pair of these, and it was just the right time. For choice number 4, the Array Leave-In Mist Leave-In Conditioner, valued at $36. The next brand, Sasha Juan Heat Protection Hair Cream, valued at $39. The Marlene Chief Adjustable Disc Ring in Gold, valued at $42, and you could either pick the gold one or the silver one. Then the Hanky Panky, we all know Hanky Panky. They are a brand that are so well known for their amazing panties and underwear. 3-piece packing cubes in mauve, valued at $48. The Color Wow Color Security Shampoo, valued at $44. You know, friends, that is one of my favorite shampoos. I mean, in general, Color Wow, amazing brand. And then Home Core Room Deodorant, valued at $45. Can you guess which product I got? Traveling time. Yeah, I decided to get the Hanky Panky packing cubes. These are always so handy. Since the moment that I learned to travel with packing cubes, I do not look back. Each of my family members, they do have 2 sets. It just helps you to keep yourself organized. I usually use like the bigger one for, say, pants or shorts, skirts. Then the medium one usually for tops, shirts. And then the tiny one, I usually use it for underwear and whatnot. And honestly, when I unpack, I do not take out my clothing from my packing cubes. I literally just put them inside the drawer of, say, Airbnb or resort that I'm staying, put it in the dresser with all and the packing cube. And that, again, helps me to keep myself organized. But I also love to have a second set of packing cubes to pack my dirty clothing, so that way they are separated, and then when I get home, not only they are divided in the luggage, but it just makes it super easy to like be like, okay, these are the items that they need to be immediately sent to the dry cleaner or washed right away. And also I like to get a couple extra ones just in case I'm going shopping, that you know myself, I go shopping very often. So these were a must have. We're getting closer to the last 2 products. Choice number 5, Bash Balm Ingrown Hair Oil, valued at $26. Then the Static Nails Like Acrylic Reusable Pop-On Manicures Jet Setter in a round shape, valued at $18. Then the One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, valued at $40. Then the number 7 Menopause Skincare Protect Hydrate Day Cream with SPF 30, valued at $27.99. The Washland Zero Waste Laundry Detergent Strips. This is great for traveling. 32 lows, valued at $25. The Bloom Power Patches Pore Purifying Nose Strips, 4-pack, valued at $15. And something that I love, the Sleek Hair Velcro Roller Kit plus clips, valued at $30. I love my rollers, but what do you think I got here? Can you hear? I decided to go with the Static Nails. These are reusable, and I had been using some reusable nails too. I really enjoy it. You know, my friends, I really love to paint my nails at home. I had been enjoying press-on nails, fake nails, and I thought, you know what, let me try them. These are beautiful. They are very soft pinky shades, so very natural. So I said, you know, no brainer, this is something that I will enjoy. And I also wanted to try the quality of Static Nails. Choice number 6 and the very last one, Paper Recipe Journal, valued at $38. The Aloha Collection bag, that bag super cute, valued at $34. The Walden Recovery Cold Heat Wrap, so you can put it on your neck if you have headaches or anywhere in your body, valued at $65. The Tony Moly Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, valued at $25. The Sleep Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies, pack of 3, valued at $22. And then from Dr. Brand, the Skincare Lash and Brow Serum, so to grow your lashes, your brows stronger, valued at $58. From Bears, the Skin Doctor's Visit Resurfacing Mask. So if you want some exfoliating mask, Bears is an excellent brand too, valued at $19.99. And then, oh my gosh, the so popular lip treatment, it went viral. My daughter has like 4 or 5 tubes of it. Is the Ola Hendrickson Pout Preserve Lip Treatment, valued at $22. Okay, friends, here there were a couple things that I really wanted. I mean, like everywhere. I wanted more and more. And that's another thing that I like about FABFITFUN, because if you want one item, you pick and choose that item. And then for an additional $10 or $15, something along those lines, you can even add a second item. And you can also shop FABFITFUN separately and shop, like I said, brands like Prada, Free People, Glossier, so many different brands. A lot of brands that I get refills on, I shop through FABFITFUN for way, way lower the cost. I mean, I'm talking about up to 70% off. So the amount of savings is amazing. And that's one of the reasons why I have kept my annual membership with FABFITFUN, because the way that I can customize the products, first dibs for being annual member, and then shop other products at such amazing discounted price. But anyhow, what did I got for this last choice? I went with the Sleep Silk Scrunchies. These are some of my favorite ones. I do have a ton of them, different sizes. And I was thinking, well, I can use some, but also my youngest daughter can use some, because as she's starting school, she will have mostly her hair up. And it's so important that it doesn't get damaged. And these are amazing for that because they are made out of silk. So this was a no-brainer for me. So how much is value my FABFITFUN box? $368. The promise up to $350. It always goes above that. So if you had been thinking, don't think too hard, because getting full-size products of your choice, of things that you like without surprises, each of those products from great reputable brands for between $13 or even less than $10, friends, that is a steal. And that's the same reason why I'm very grateful to FABFITFUN for partnering up on today's video with me. So organic. You know me. If you have been following me for the past 5 years, you know very well that I had been doing FABFITFUN unboxings randomly of boxes that I paid for myself. This box in specific, though, it was sent to me so I can show you also the spoilers. So thank you again so much to FABFITFUN, and thank you so much to all of you, my beautiful subscribers, because you make all these opportunities possible. And I'm so happy to be able to bring to you special discounts like the ones of today from FABFITFUN. And I don't know when I'm uploading this video, but customizations are either going on right now or coming soon. August 16 are the customizations open for the fall box. So if you're ready to get your first box or become an annual member, make sure to check the description box below, because all the details are there for you, including everything that I told you about with my discount codes, and start customizing your box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, well, it's completely free. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, please come and follow me there. And if you're not done watching my content, well, guess what? I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.
Entre as ruas